Welcome to ZeroPage Homebrew, your best source for the newest Atari games. And today we have a whole bunch of special stuff that we're going to be playing on the show and showing off on the show. Brand new, fresh stuff. Premiere news. But we're also going to be playing some 2600 games. Right over here. We're going to be playing StalaX probably. Cyberrun Low Tech. StalaX is by Thomas Jentzsch, who's in the chat. Dev in the chat. Cyberrun Low Tech by Mirsad, Sarajlic, Kiki PDPH. And we're going to go bowling with Strike Zone Bowling because I didn't get to play it last time it was on the show because we were doing Atari Age Day and Tanya got to play it. And I was like, I want to play it. So today we're going to be playing the retail version of Strike Zone Bowling right here. Very exciting. See if we can get 300. Perfect game. No, probably not. But we'll try. I find stalactites and stalagmites too complicated to spell. Yeah, they're quite weird words. You cannot always play all the games, James. Apparently not. I can't. Tanya played all the games on Atari Age Day, and I played 0. It was very sad.
Poor James.
So sad.
Everybody take a moment to feel sad for James, how he didn't get to play those games.
F's in the chat.
Even though he was making the decision about who was going to play the games.
That's right. Well, I have to do the interviews.
Yeah.
You know,
you don't have to.
Tanya could.
You
She has asked questions before. But I want to thank the Twitch subscribers who are scrolling beside Darcy right there, virtually on the screen, floating. EVD Official Eld for Amiga 5500 XT, Zora Justin, Artifacto Games, Atari 974, Atari Beer Bong, Bachman, M50, Blade Junker, BR Poke, Brunesteck, Tapglass, Chelston, Cheese Whiz, Chilitla, Cubanismo, Daryl, 1970, Dave M. Dragon's Brethren, Drexel. You're on there.
Oh my God. Yay! I checked to make sure that I was.
Good. Dr. Mukez, Aircard, Frozen Well, Gamma Dev, Great Friend of Ground Trooper Hammers, Dev, Araldo, Ju, Johnny WC, Carl G, K.R.A.Z, 2600 developed for Lambda Express, Manny, Sip T, Mark Anders, Mark Ziller, Meld, Rock, McMuse, Mike Solomon, Command, MK's Mr. Zarmut, Mr. Fix, Muddy Funster, Nostalgical, Leona Games, Opcode, Coog, Aranturits, Rendered Ghost, Res, Fiji, Reverend Thule, Ricardo Pam, Rodcasters, Petty B, Spinley, Esmir, Superloop, D-Train, Thinkus, Tiki Dan, KT, Post Team Events, Track and DVX, Rex, Viva, Double, X, Sticky Fur, and Super Dan, thank you! Woo! And you, and the cat there, too.
That cat.
For helping support the show. He helps support the show by just being here. It's wonderful. And you
Although
guys,
I
too.
was going to say he could support the show by doing the interviews.
That would help a lot, Atari.
He would have...
You've never done it, and I think it's your turn.
Yeah, it would be that very different, a
lot of purring, a lot of
staring. A lot of, is that what you like wordless interview, just browbeating you into submission
and
getting the truth.
And that's an actual tactic. When talking with somebody and you want to get more information out of them during interviews, is you don't interrupt them. You give a pause, and I'm giving away secrets.
Yeah.
I'm giving away secrets here. I don't use it on zero-page interviews because those are friendly,
Only
fun
other
things.
interviews.
Only other interviews that I've done for like documentaries. You don't interrupt the person because they want to fill that void.
Yeah.
And then they will reveal things maybe they wouldn't normally reveal. So secrets.
I've done that by mistake before.
You filling the void or just saying nothing?
The opposite. Yeah.
Yeah, it can happen. Before I get to the big news, because I don't want to lead with that, because then the other news will seem like nothing.
Woohoo! Party time for...
Oh my goodness. Where's Sid? Where's your brother? Where's your brother? He'll come in. Maybe not. Ding the bell. There's catnip. Yeah, it's not treats, but it is catnip. The power to learning more is to listen more. Splendid, that summed it up
Remember I was
perfectly.
saying how you should use a bell for feeding time?
Yes.
The show is the perfect example of why you should do that, because the cats are here and they're like, oh, the bell might ring and we get to do treat time. But they aren't freaking out.
No.
And that's what would happen with feeding time, I think, if you used a bell.
I'm scared.
Because you might be late?
Well, no. Like, ring the bell just before we feed them, is you're saying?
Yeah, they hear the
Yeah.
bell, and that means they're getting fed, and
Yeah.
nothing else. Like, it's not...
Because
nothing else does it. But or having an alarm that does it is the best. Because
well, I can't do that because it varies.
Because
sometimes.
you are unreliable.
They know that, and that's why they remind me an hour before feeding time.
That's why the bell works better, though, is because they're like,
Okay.
oh, it happens when the bell goes off, not when we bug him enough.
I will try that.
Hold that.
Where's
I'm gonna go find
Sid?
him.
He was sitting at the top of the stairs before, and he's generally like meh about catnip lately. He's been like, it's okay. Well, we'll switch it back because there's absolutely 0 cats here. And maybe we'll do the first news. Yeah, well, let's do the first news. So Opcode revealed their new cartridge design recently. And here it is. There's the cartridge design, if you want to put those when you get the other cat down here. It's got screws in the back, not under the label. It's got opcode on the back of it. It's got grips on the side. It's got, and the, let's see. It's got a label that folds up to the top. I don't know. It's got a little arrow showing which way to insert it. I'm not sure. What do people think about the folding label that goes over the top as opposed to 2 separate labels? Yeah, screws on the back is so important. Putting screws under the label is the worst decision ever. Yeah. But, opcode's in the chat. Hey, Eduardo. Yeah, it looks really good. I love grips on the sides of cartridges. It's not that it's hard to put in and out of the system, but so let's go to the cats now. There's the kitties. There we go. There you go, Gamma Dev. Ivory Tower Collection says, as long as the adhesive is strong enough, I think it's fine with the folded over label. Yeah, there were plenty of labels released with folded over, and they're fine. And they don't flip up, so it's totally fine.
I've caught up now, yeah.
Yeah, it's easier for the manufacturer because they only have to print one label, and also that it's easier to apply. It's only one label, only one printing process. Pre-crease label before applying. But it's a rounded curve. You wouldn't want a line there. Is it a line? Is it a hard edge? I think it's... Let's go to the top here. See if we can see it. Oh, can't see it there. Can't see it there.
Oh, you can see it there.
There. Oh, yeah, it's a little... back a bit.
Just grab it and rotate it.
There. Yeah, it's not a hard edge. So I don't think you'd want to pre-crease it before applying it to put a line or anything there.
You wet the label.
Yeah.
You wet it.
Yeah.
And then it dries
Yeah.
curved.
Yeah.
That's
cursed round edge. I'm a fan of the wraparound label, generally not a fan of the rolling label.
Which is the wraparound one.
Oh, okay.
So
yeah.
They are disagreeing.
Cost savings too. No, it's kind of a chamfer. Oh, that's a word I'm not super familiar with. Chamfer.
For sure, a chamfer is when you have the corner and then you...
Okay, round it off?
Well, a 45.
45.
But rounding it off might also be probably is also a chamfer.
Yeah.
I
just got the samples. Awesome. So
Opcode is calling it that. I trust them.
Yeah, I do trust them as well. Since they're the ones making it. Anything else after this? Oh, yeah, this too. There's their full line of 7,800 and 2,600 games that it's going to apply to. That's the 2,600 game right there. And I believe all the rest are 7,800 games. And it looks so nice. I love that shiny purple cover that they have. A little hard to see in pictures, but when you have it in real life, it has a shine to it. Yeah. So there's that's quite a few games. And I love the characters on the side too.
Oh, yeah.
Just to designate a little bit like, oh, okay, that's what it is. That what it is. There's Keystone Coppers.
Honestly, that's super. It's super strong to have for me.
Yeah.
I really like that. Look, when you have like the little icon, each one has a different one, and
Yeah, and the uniformity of the red line right there, and the even the titles are all left justified pretty much. Yeah, pretty much. I mean, it's hard when some just have like a little line going out. Yeah, it looks really great. I like the opcode logo's reminiscent of the Coleco logo. Yeah.
yeah.
I mean, opcode.
It's so
is
much that
primarily
my brain
known-
thought was seeing Coleco. Yeah, I see what you're saying.
I mean, opcode is primarily known for Coleco games, ColecoVision games. So that's what makes sense. Yeah. Oh, there's a video of it. Thank you, opcode. Next story is
Treat time.
treat time. That's what the next story is. Wow, that's early
Are you
treat
gonna
time.
come inside now?
That's early. Oh my goodness. We're gonna have a mega show today. Okay, come on, kittens.
Okay, but they don't have to be here yet.
No, they don't. They can just get excited. So let's start up the betting for the kitties. Thank you to Carl
A lot of
G.
walking upstairs.
They're walking away.
No, there's some walking upstairs.
Oh,
And they're
I
very
see.
excited about the clump, clump, clump.
I can understand that. It's probably next door. So the cats are going to be competing with Bells to 10 points. First cat to get 10 points wins, but by how much? 1, 2, 3, 4. That's what you bet on. Sid, come here.
Oh, I have a problem.
Which one? With me? With the cats?
Oh, never mind. I get it. It's fine.
Oh, the bottom one that we added?
No. I was
Oh.
just thinking, like, because this is by how much they win. Not. I was like,
Yes.
but what if they both get 5?
No. That is
Has that?
highly...
Yeah, it's the first to 10, and my brain
to
was
10.
like,
Yeah. So they will
it's
get
not-
10.
Not working.
Both of them have never given up before 10.
Yeah.
There's always one actually never given up.
No.
So you can win by 1 or 2, 3 or 4, or any cat 5+. If somebody is going to trounce the other, and it has happened, it's very rare. So if you're going to bet on that, I would bet low because it's an outside chance. You don't want to bet too much. So you just click on predict at the top of the chat window.
Wow,
And Sid wanted
Atari's
to.
getting the love today.
Yeah, he's getting love. No Sid 3-4, no any cat 5+, so there's still chance.
But still, most
never
people
know.
think Sid will get 1 or 2.
Yeah, that's the big bets going on there. But if you haven't bet yet, and you just want to put like 10 down or 5, I think you can. I'm not sure. You can just throw it on any cat 5+. Probably Sid 3 and 4 is a better chance. So you got 10 seconds left. 10 seconds before it's all over. Oh, Sid 3 and 4 and any cat 5+. 5 seconds left.
Apparently, you can
Maybe.
bid as low as 1.
You don't usually see that. Maybe the default is 10. That's why people always put 10. I've never seen 1 before. Okay. Was there a cooldown before? Cooldown between the same things. There's no cooldown between different things. Okay.
This is a pre-ding.
Okay, to get the other cat down. That's a bad ding.
It
Oh,
worked.
it worked anyway.
It was the appropriate ding because...
Nope.
Dum-dums.
Heard the cats.
Why are you dum-dums so dumb?
They're very silly.
Yeah,
Okay.
give you the bells.
I'll have the bells.
I'm going to be stinky hand.
Darcy's got stink hand. He's cursed with stink hand.
No, what's that? Get.
Okay, cats. Is everybody ready? Is Darcy ready?
I'm ready.
Let me get the scores over here so I can easily do it. Can I start? You can, but please don't do treat ball right after. Give it a bet. At least one game. At least one game, please. These cats won't be as excited. Okay. Are you ready? Here we go. Oh, that's Sid. He did not get it. He did not get it. He did there. He got it now. Because his paw was getting interfered
I just
with.
heard a double ding and I couldn't see who did it. You
Oh,
were
okay.
saying
Sid
who
was the double ding. Yeah. Darcy's testing it. Oh, Atari zooms fast past him. Sid's still eating scraps. He was chomping on them the other day. Oh, my God. 3-1 Atari. Sid, too. People who bet on Atari are happy today. Oh, very happy. 4-2 for Atari. Can Sid catch up? Oh, that was tiny, but it worked. 4-3 for Atari still. 5-3 for Atari. Sid the other day was crunching them in half. 5-4 for Atari. And just swallowing them so fast the other day. 6-4 for Atari. He might win by 2. Maybe 3. 6-5, depending on how it times up. 7-5 for Atari. Let's see if he can get the 3 ahead. Oh, maybe he's thinking about it. Nope, Sid gets the point. 7-6. 8-6 for Atari. Getting close. Getting close. Sid's being very distracted. Oh, but he still gets it. 8-7. Oh, there we go. 9-7. Game point for Atari. Oh, he's taking it away. That's a bad move. Sid's going to catch up for sure. 9-8. Oh, Atari's going to win by 2, maybe? And he wins by 2. 10-8 for Atari. Congratulations, Atari. Good job, kiddies. Good job. Let's see who bet on D-Train 1, apparently. He's very excited. Let's see. So, Atari won by 2. And the people who bet on Atari 1 and 2, Carl G and 3 others. So a lot of people betting on Atari 1 and 2. 13,000 points going to the 4 people with a ratio of 6-1. Now that's a good return. That's nice. Oh, ITC lost 3,000. Oh, no. So congratulations to Carl G, the big winner, and the 3 other people. D-Train. Do I see Carl G? I don't see any other 3s not revealing themselves. Secret winners. Okay, so the next story is Slap Fight early preview. That's the newest shooter for the 7800. It's a Toplan port of an arcade game, being done by PlayOn. So let's show this over here. Well, it's very, very. I think I'm gonna have to go full screen for this, just because it's a weird aspect ratio. There we go. It's got music. Let me just turn it up. Yeah. That was me. There we go. Oh, let me just turn down that sound just in case it blasts. There we go. So yeah, Ben's been posting in this thread here screenshots of the playfield or the background of level 1 of the game, and just yesterday he posted a video of a fly-through plus music, and it's looking really, 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 really great. So looking forward to seeing more of that. And it's the same team that brought you Tiger Heli, and I did beta testing on Tiger Heli, super fun. So hopefully I'll be get to do some beta testing on that as well. Oh, there's ITC saying, sounds really good. Yes, part of the reason I chose Slap Fight, banging introductory. Oh, you guys can't see that. Banging introductory tunage really pumps you up. Yeah. All pokey. Got a feeling it's going to be a long one, getting colors and backgrounds to acceptable state, but this is a journey I'm on. I'm super pumped to just be able to share it like it is from the ground up. We just need to edge up the experience to Tiger Heli, and I'll be happy. Yeah, so it's looking really good, and he decided this time that he's going to be like very open about the development process of the new game, and People are loving it. They love to see it happening in real time, pretty much. I didn't even know there's a video with this posted until I viewed it on my phone. I didn't notice that till after, too. I don't know why both Ivory Tower Collections and me both didn't realize there was a video there. Probably because it was like this really weird aspect ratio, and maybe it looked like...
it looks like a photograph.
Yeah, it looked like a photo.
Like, it doesn't look like a video because it's
so long.
the wrong way.
It's the wrong way. The screen is wide.
Like, there's no consensus on that anymore at all. Like, we've lost it. We've lost the...
The mirroring effect must have been very CPU intensive.
Yeah.
See this mirroring effect and icons. Apparently, the 7800 is running Windows.
It's very advanced.
It's really, really good. Yeah, he's got like communications program, WhatsApp. He's got Chrome running in 7800 and some crazy mirror effect. It's really great. Anyway, that's pretty funny. The next story is the big story. Now, I am going to show you this first. This was posted on October 20th by Al Nafur. He says, since Pixie already runs a 6507 interpreter in ELF, why not port a 6502 BASIC, Atari BASIC, Tiny BASIC, or Steve Wozniak's Integer BASIC to ELF? With a nice text kernel and K.R.A.Z for input, the 2600 could be a neat little BASIC machine. If we avoid the 6507 interpreter layer, we could get more speed, a compact C-in implementation, tinybasic.c, and looks like a promising starting point. And then it goes on from there. So, this right here is the K.R.A.Z. It's in beta testing right now. That's why I have it. And this is a keyboard that works with K.R.A.Z. And we will definitely be doing probably a full show on K.R.A.Z. eventually, when it's ready to do a full show and show off a bunch of stuff. It works with PS2 connection, not PlayStation 2. The other PS2. The old connector that was on PCs. Here's the K.R.A.Z. They'll probably come in a nice box when it's done. Plugs into port 1 and 2, and you can plug your joysticks into that. Has bypass, you can use joysticks or keyboard. Keyboard plugs into that. Yeah, it's super, super cool. And so, Al Nafur was musing about implementing a BASIC on the 2600 since there's a keyboard and now you can type. And so, what he said to me last night was this. And somebody entered in the chat today saying, "Hello, world." I thought that was very appropriate. Hello, world on the Atari 2600 using a keyboard.
And it's like Commodore font, basically, right?
It's
or close enough that
close
is
enough.
It just the blue? The font is really good.
I think it might be blue. The blue that's throwing you off, yeah.
But the font is, like, amazing.
Yeah, it's very readable. Very, very readable. So, what are the specs of Tiny Basic? But, first of all, what is Tiny Basic to begin with? Because I was not familiar. Obviously, everyone's familiar with Basic, but I was not familiar with Tiny Basic. Tiny Basic is a family of dialects of the BASIC programming language that can fit into 4 or fewer kilobytes of memory obviously perfect for the Atari 2600, that 4K is one bank, which it can access. Tiny Basic was designed by Dennis Allison and the People's Computer Company in response to an open letter published by Bill Gates complaining about users pirating Altair Basic, which sold for $150. Tiny Basic was intended to be a completely free version of Basic that would run on the same early microcomputers, and it was developed in 1975. Tiny Basic was released as a specification, not an implementation, published in the September 1975 issue of PCC Newsletter. Article invited programmers to implement it on their machines, now the 2600, and send the resulting assembler language implementation back for inclusion in the series of 3 planned newsletters. Well, you'll have to do that for their newsletters. They're probably well done back in 1975. Li Chen Wang, author of Palo Alto Tiny Basic, coined this term copyleft to describe this concept. Wow, that's a long time ago that was made up. The community response was so overwhelming that the newsletter was relaunched as Dr. Dobbs Journal, the first regular periodical to focus on microcomputer software. Dr. Dobbs lasted in print form for 34 years, and then online in 2014 when its website became a static archive. Missed it by 11 years, damn it. Now, what I found really interesting, if you scroll down, one of the community members is actually mentioned in this web, in the wiki. Where is it? It's way down here. No, bypassed it. There it is. Also in 2019, Oscar Toledo Gutierrez, who has made 2600 games, Coleco games, a whole bunch of systems, published Boot Basic, which fits in the 512 bytes of the boot sector of an 8088 machine, making it the smallest basic implementation yet. To accomplish this, the language drops the relational operators if statements work on non-zero values, limits the line of code to 19 characters or less, and doesn't update the display when the backspace is pressed. Additionally, it lacks go sub and return, but does include a R&D function without arguments, returning a value between 0 and 255. The language uses an array to sort program lines, requiring 20,000 bytes to do so. I just thought that was cool. So what does the TinyElf Basic for Atari 2600 do? TinyElf Basic is a new experimental basic interpreter environment running entirely on the microcontroller of modern Atari 2600 flash cartridges, UnoCart, PlusCart, Chameleon Cart. It brings a classic 1970s era Tiny Basic interpreter to the VCS while using a custom 36-character wide display kernel. The video system is powered by a version of Omega Matrix 36-character kernel ported to ELF. Kernel provides 36-column text mode, a custom character set, 1K, large, dedicated screen RAM, 3K, color RAM, 170 bytes, input device, TinyElf Basic using the K.R.A.Z as the input device. Maybe in the future, expansion board for the K.R.A.Z to be used to store the basic programs to audio. Very cool. So you can output your programs and store it on cassette if you want. Or you can just plug it into your computer. Basic interpreter. The interpreter is derived from the historical 1970s Tiny Basic. It currently implements the original 70s command set. Possible additions: poke to access VCS screen and color RAM, character set RAM, and TIA registers, which would be great to be able to change the character set so you can make it into like ASCII or ATASCII or PETSCII, so you can make little games with symbols. And you can have each individual colored differently because it has color RAM as well.
How does it create 3 kilobytes of RAM for the screen?
How does it create it? It stores it on the cartridge. That's RAM that is stored on the cartridge.
So this is using like an ARM chip?
Yes.
Okay.
That
Understood. Understood.
And that's why it needs to be UnoCart, PlusCart, or Chameleon Cart. Yeah. Optional upgrade to the more capable Basic 2 interpreter. Hardware and compatibility. TinyElf Basic runs on an ELF ROM on PlusCart, UnoCart, Chameleon Cart, untested as of yet. Stella Gopher 2600 emulators, input limited, no K.R.A.Z protocol yet on Stella or Gopher. New direct ASCII over K.R.A.Z protocol is implemented for real hardware keyboard support. So here's the memory model. The interpreter and screen system run entirely inside the cartridge MCU RAM. Current layout is 3 kilobytes for screen RAM, 1 kilobyte for character set RAM, 170 bytes for color RAM, and here's the amazing part. 32K for basic RAM. Chameleon will have 16K or maybe 24K. That is very close to what the Commodore 64 had for its RAM while booted into basic.
Yeah.
Note the Uno cart plus cart will later gain full 64K basic RAM, so even better than the Commodore 64. Yeah. Via CC RAM. Chameleon has no CC RAM, so it'd have to be on the Uno cart plus cart. Execution model. The current basic interpreter runs about 10 times per frame, with plenty of headroom. Up to 220 tokens per frame should be possible depending on the parser used. After each slice, control returns to the ELF loop, waiting for an end of overblank and render the next frame. So 10 times per frame. So that's 60 frames per second. So 600 basic
frames
commands. I'm not sure.
600 frames per second of color clock time.
I'm not sure what the interpreter means, like 10 times per frame, like 10 commands, possibly 10 tokens. Like they're talking about tokens, so I'm not sure. Origins and discussion. The project was first proposed by me in the VCS ELF Club on Atari Age, which I showed you.
Well, it's 10 times, so does that mean it's just like 10 times the frequency? Like instead of 60 frames, it's 600, like whatever that translates into in hertz.
Well, 60 is per second. That's how many frames per second the 2600 runs. So
but that's also the number of like hertz. Like
yes,
if I'm not using the right language, but you know what I mean.
But
it's
yes.
like, and so he might be just referring to that. It's like 10
Splendid nuts. That's a bit of a weird metric to measure performance by. Tokens.
It is, yeah.
Tokens makes more sense. Like things it can do per frame.
Yeah.
That makes more sense. It's like, well, I've got a program that has X tokens it needs to execute. Kind of like how assembly language has, different amounts of time each command takes up. We still don't have a real timer in ELF to measure the time when it is time to draw the next frame, Al Nefer says. Summary. TinyElf Basic is a new experiment in cartridge resident computing for the Atari 2600. A real basic interpreter, a wide character text display, keyboard input via K.R.A.Z running mostly on the cartridge MCU, programmable by the user in real time. I think this is extremely exciting.
That's very cool, yeah.
The 2600 did have, or does have, a basic cartridge that was released. It was extremely limited, had almost no RAM to store your program, could do almost nothing in terms of making something to put on the screen. And the keyboard was the two keyboard controllers side by side, and it had overlays, like shortcuts. Mm-hmm. Like instead of print, you would have like a button for print, and it would just do it all. Yeah. But this is very, very cool, and I'd be interested to know how fast it could kind of run a game, especially if it if the pokes are starting to be implemented. It doesn't seem to have any peaks, so you'd have to have shadow RAM somewhere to keep track of things that
I see. Yeah.
You were poking in, because you can't read them back out directly. Yeah, unless that's implemented too. Peaking. Basic program was extremely limited. Compumate was much better. Yeah, I didn't really look into Compumate too much. The basic we always wanted, that we strive to have. Yeah, it's super cool. And I love that you can actually really, really type on it. And it's got tons and tons of RAM, so you can make huge programs, like massive basic programs. Yeah. So looking forward to that, and looking forward to do a show on the K.R.A.Z and including this in it, and including any games that people will come up with for the keyboard Atari as well. I'm hoping Typing of the Dead will be a game that somebody can use to use the keyboard for.
And so this is the hardware, and you're just waiting for the software to be able to display?
Yeah, there's really not much in terms of software. That's probably the biggest software so far is the is BASIC for it, which is really amazing, and you can make more software with it. I never looked back to BASIC after I found other language. Obviously, yeah. BASIC's making a comeback. That's right. I think that is all the news. I mean, all extremely exciting. Oh, addendum from Aldifer. A little update here. The display still has a small bug with the positioning of the missiles. You could see the lines on the left and right if you looked closely. On my hardware, PAL 7800, so it may not have that on 2600s or NTSC 7800s. These stripes aren't there in emulation. These stripes are also not there in my 7800 when I run the 36-character demo ROM, so it must be issue with my port to ELF of the display kernel. So it's obviously fixable. The most exciting feature would be poke, because users could redefine the character set and could add graphic features by directly poking into the video RAM. Of course, a graphic command directly in the basic interpreter would be more convenient. The color RAM contains 1 byte of text color per row. Oh, okay. And 1 byte of background color for every second row. 1 byte of text color per row. So it would be color on a whole line, not per screen position. So you could do some like almost like an overlay of gradiated colors on the screen, which would work well for simple games. Mm-hmm. And you would only be making simple games in this anyway. Yeah. So you can make a whole row of grass and like a sky area and, a water area, but it would have to be the whole row. Yeah, that's super awesome. Okay, on to our first game. StalaX, because it's stalactite, so StalaX, I'm guessing. That's how it's pronounced, by Thomas Jentzsch. This was first posted on October 27th. It's a 4K game. Thomas loves making 4K games. Mm-hmm. And they're always incredibly impressive. Yeah. You could do a high-res screen if there were no line gaps. Oh yeah. There would be line gaps in it. And he says, I want to draw, this is kind of intro to the game that when he was developing it. I want to draw a ceiling and a floor of growing pillars, stalagmites, stalactites, using playfield graphics. It will either be 32 or 40 pixels wide, depending on what's feasible. The pillars will be several blocks high, 20 to 25 rows, and each block will be 6 to 8 scan lines tall. And I'll skip the details as it goes into it. So let's load it up. And this is interesting. I'm going to show something, mostly for Thomas. No, to show what I found out today. We do have a way of playing it, so no freaking out. Here you go. So let's load up the game. StalaX. Now this is using the Harmony cart. This is not what it's supposed to look like at all. It's supposed to say StalaX on the screen. Move the joystick up and down and go 0, 1, and then it crashes out, which is really weird. I've never had a 4K game do this. It's super, super, super weird. Oh, press the button? Press the button? No, it's... So I loaded on the Uno cart, and it runs fine. So it's really weird. Really interesting. Yep. Ready. Today. That's the one. There. That's what it's supposed to be. So we'll switch over to paddles because it's a paddle game.
My paddle doesn't work.
Yeah, it worked in Stella for me too. So I thought that was weird. That's why I just loaded it up. Luckily I tested it before the show.
Is this how we play it, like this?
Yep. It's You can play it like that. It's gonna be a challenge. Let me turn it down just a little bit. By a little bit, I mean a lot.
Okay, the bullets are the favorite.
You only need
my
one.
favorite thing ever.
Yeah, you only need one. Put one of those down.
No, I'm doing it better. I'm gonna start doing worse now.
Maybe. Okay, let me read about it. Darcy seems to have the hang of it. It's obviously it's a shooter, very straightforward, but it's got some power-ups and stuff.
Oh, it's delightful. I've never seen such an amazing stream of bullets.
I love the bullets. It's so satisfying. It's so
Oh, that was a
incredibly
power-up that I
satisfying.
missed.
Yeah.
I thought maybe it was a bomb.
And
Are all those things that drop power-ups?
no, just
Some of them are
just the
actually
graphic,
bombs?
just the graphic ones, not the playfield ones.
Oh, yeah, but all these are...
I think so.
Okay.
I haven't read into all of them yet. I wanted to keep it a bit of a surprise for me.
I ran out of
things or something. Use select to start one of the 4 starting waves. 1, 5, 10, or 15. Then press fire.
Oh, my.
Or reset to start the
I got
game.
some chonk bullets.
Oh, you got chunky bullets. And a shield. From the top, stalactites will grow towards the bottom. And when they reach the bottom, the game is over.
Oh, and that froze the map? That's pretty exciting.
Also, drips will fall from the stalactites. When they reach the bottom or collide with your gun, you lose energy. If all your energy is lost, you have an energy bar on the bottom. When all your energy is lost, the game ends. Use your rapid...
That's every day around 3 o'clock.
energy... Crash. Darcy crashes. Use your rapid gun... Oh, that's a little bit too quiet. Test. There we go. Occasionally, power-ups will fall from the top, which you can collect with your gun.
I feel like somehow that one gave me even faster bullets.
Maybe. What happened?
Finish the level, I think.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
And then I press the button, and then more fun.
More fun. Occasionally, power-ups fall to the top. You can collect with your gun. They will provide more firepower, extra energy, freeze the stalactites, drips, and bonus items for a few seconds. There will be more implemented. The game is played in waves, each lasting 60 seconds. After each wave, the screen is cleared, and you get some extra energy. With fire, you start the next harder wave. Scoring: destroying a stalactite block, 1 point. Destroying falling drip, 10 points. So those are the most. Those drippy ones. Collecting power-ups, 50 points. Screen at the top, game variation. Well, we'll do that after. At the bottom, remaining energy. Darcy's full of energy because it's the morning. Still, well, early afternoon, 3 o'clock. Crash. Power-ups. Fast missiles. So there is a fast. Doubles the fire rate.
There's quite a lot of overlap with ZeroPage Homebrew and Map O'Clock.
Yeah, we have to stop before Darcy crashes. Wide missiles, double missile width. I think you have wide?
I have wide and fast.
And shield.
Yeah, it's
Darcy's
good.
got all the power.
This is the best game ever. I'm really digging it.
Oh, D-Train, the ultimate compliment for a 2600 game, D-Train just gave.
Oh, what was that?
Is it a 2600, 7800 game? That's always a good sign.
Yeah.
When it's like, whoa, this is awesome. Large battery increases maximum battery. Targeting allows shooting while moving the gun fast. Not sure what that quite means. Oh, you're getting like double shots side by side.
I get double shots and faster shots.
Wow.
Yeah, it's awesome. Oh, it is. It's
frozen. Awesome. Shield provides 10-second shield. Energy gives some extra energy. Freeze stalactites, drips, and falling power-ups.
Yeah.
Oh, it stops the power-ups too. Okay. Note: you can lose a power-up when you're hit by a falling drip. Okay. So you don't want to be hit by the drips either.
I'm starting to lose my cool. This is getting fast enough that I can't be cool anymore.
Oh, no. As of now, all the power-ups are positive, Thomas says. It's 4K with SC RAM. You probably need an extension to the file name. Ah, that makes a lot of sense. It's thinking it's just a straight 4K game. But he's got SC RAM, which is how much RAM is in SC RAM? Is it full 6K of RAM, or is it because this has 4K, so it has an extra 2K of RAM? Oh, it's just 128 bytes. Okay. Because the supercharger gave you 6K of RAM.
I don't know what the battery does. I know that's supposed to give you more energy, but I don't know what the energy does for me.
Well, you're full, because you haven't let anything hit the ground.
Oh, okay.
So that's when it gets super crazy. It's starting to get faster. Only the sound might need improved, Al says. It's pretty satisfying sound. I mean, you need a sound that's going to make like the sound over and over and over again. Maybe it could be like shortened, the sound, like really, really, really short because there's so much of it. Obviously, you need sounds for the power-ups, or something like that. That would be cool. And a different sound when you hit the falling pieces, too.
I really like the... well, I like everything.
Yeah,
I
it's
like
so satisfying.
The color changing as it becomes more dangerous is pretty great.
Yes, and that's just changing the playfield color as it goes down the screen, which is a cheap way of getting color. It's really great because the color's all the way across, right? Best stream of bullets is the ultimate. It's so good.
It's so good, I love it.
Opcode says, I haven't tried this one, but just from watching this looks insanely addictive. It's just satisfying. Mm-hmm. It's like, yeah, I'm taking out so much stuff at the top. It's so rarely in games that you get to shoot like dozens of things a second. Yeah. Like the bullets are coming out, I don't know how fast, like 20 a second, maybe? Like it's so fast.
Starting to lose my cool.
Oh, you are. Things are getting close to the ground now. They're just having to concentrate on the drips. Oh, there's so many drips now. What do you think about the difficulty ramp up? I think it might be like, oh, did you win? Or is that the way it goes when...
That's what happens between
it gets
the
all
phases.
liney.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, that's a good indicator.
60 bullets per second.
Whoa, I guess that's on the fast.
And 1K
speed.
free.
1K free. Oh, nice. Out of 4K still. Oh, he's got tons of room. That's amazing. Oh, 1 bullets per frame. Oh, okay, that makes sense because you can't really go faster than that. Otherwise,
it's
over
meaningless.
Things. Yeah, it is. And it skips over things. And 60 is plenty fast per second. Oh, before the show, Darcy and I were discussing the Steam box.
Yeah.
And how it's like 60 frames per second. Then I patted the 2600 and says the 2600 is 60 frames a second. And always has been since 1977. It has no problems doing 60 frames a second, no matter what game you pop into it. Although you can make games that are less than 30 frames per second.
I got a new strategy.
Oh,
It's glorious.
Well, you're going to have to switch up your strategy as the levels get higher. But you are moving fast enough that it is skipping over... Oh, that was lucky. Skipping over like it's getting 2. So smooth.
Okay, I'm going to stop now because I haven't had any drops land, and I would like it to end on that.
Okay. And Thomas, before the show, said, you better get your paddle done up right.
Oh, cleaned.
Cleaned, and I did. I cleaned.
Oh, that's good.
Cleaned all the paddles because nothing worse than a jittery paddle.
Yeah, no, you got it. It's buttery smooth.
Especially in this game where you have to be like precise. Well, there's going to be spots where it's kind of in between.
Oh, but that in between, if you could control for that, you'd want that all the time.
Yeah,
it
does. Yeah,
it makes your bullets quad wide. But they're awesome. Like the zipping back and forth and having that's like
so good.
It's pure joy.
Okay, we're gonna jump up to the highest level. just because I can.
Oh my god, I can't believe you let all those drops hit the ground.
It's level 15. Oh, we probably were at 15. Yeah. Oh, you start off with not full... Oh, whoa! Power-ups are crazy. We definitely did not make it up to this. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa. Okay, okay. Okay. Oh my god. The power-ups are... utter nonsense. Ah! Oh, I got a boost. See, the energy wasn't all the way across when I started.
Yeah.
Now there's potential. So it didn't give me any, it just increased the potential energy.
See, I didn't know what happened when they dropped because that didn't happen to me. And so what I thought was, is it going to build up on the bottom? Like what?
Oh, that would be bad.
The stalagmites, and then like you can...
That was an early suggestion.
I don't know how that would work.
Well, some games they sit on the ground and you can't get past them. Mm-hmm. But this game's way too fast and crazy for that kind of nonsense. Oh, my energy is... Oh, it gave me a bit of a boost for finishing the level. That's good. Energy is not doing good. I gotta get the drips. This is a great paddle game. There aren't enough good paddle games. This adds to the list. Ah! It's so hard. They're so fast on these high levels. The power-ups. As they should be. They shouldn't be easy to get. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm gonna die. This level is crazy. Oh man, I've always... Get it. Oh, did I get it? I don't think so. Oh my god, it's so hard to get. Oh. Oh god. Oh god. Get out of here. Oh, my energy's just being decimated.
I know, because you're not trying to stop the drops anymore.
It's a trade-off. It's a trade-off, which is another thing you want in games. You want the primary objective and like this. Oh, my energy's nothing. And like the secondary objective.
But you get a bonus bit of energy if you make it to the next level, apparently.
Not enough.
Yeah, but it's like getting a free life.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
I need the battery. I need anything. Any kind of power-up. But they come so fast down the screen and seemingly less often now.
Well, you're on level 15. They should kind of...
Yeah.
Like, if you're doing a challenge mode, it doesn't... It's not wrong to have different ways of making it more challenging. And one of them is you don't have the power-ups.
I died.
I think they're just 10 each right now.
ZeroPage Homebrew. Remember when I said in your show I might have an idea for a game? I do remember that. Obviously, we didn't know what your idea was. This is so good. So good.
It's really good.
I'm going to start at level 0. Maybe not. What level should... Not this high, because I got just killed.
I'm pretty sure I started at level 0 or
Maybe
1
10.
or whatever it was.
I'll try it at 10. You started at 0, yeah.
Or 1 or whatever.
Or 1. Oh, yeah, look at the shots. So different.
Well, it's because you don't have the multi-bullet power-up. They don't fire as densely.
Yeah.
I don't know what rate they're firing at now. It seems like they're firing super fast right now.
I am noticing that when...
You gotta get the ones on the side. What are you doing?
I'm like looking at the movement.
Strategy?
The movement of the paddle. And it's jumpy. Not because of the paddle. It's interesting. Not sure what's going on. Oh, this level's hard too.
Yeah, I think the main difference is that I don't know if I don't know if it's that I never got anywhere near this high, or if it's just that I had all the power-ups. And because I had the power-ups, I was able to chop stuff down easier. But I think this has more drips than I got even close to. Yeah, you're oh, there you go.
Yeah, I just got the double bullet. That helps a lot.
It does,
Get
yeah.
that? Oh my god, it's so fast.
And you have to get you lose power-ups. You can lose power-ups when drips hit.
Yes. Oh, when they hit the
other
floor,
thing is that...
or when they hit me.
I never reached the point where I was getting the drips down, and so I wasn't. Oh, it's when they hit you. Yes. Okay,
that makes more sense.
That makes way more sense. Yeah,
Yeah.
because it would be really hard to
You'd be
hold on
losing them.
to. You already have a mechanic. It's your energy.
Okay.
For when drips
Now the higher fire rate is
It's really making a huge difference.
so helpful.
It makes
Oh,
sense.
damn
It
it.
makes sense. Yeah.
But it's interesting. The reading of the paddle was very sporadic when the screen was full. Like, I was really jumpy when I was going back and forth. But now it's a bit better. I don't know.
Try going like this. Instead of try going like this.
Oh, like that?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
I mean, what you were doing, it's not that it wasn't working.
But yeah, it's a little easier to, like, spray them. Oh, no, I got hit. Oh, no! Help me. Help me, Atari. I lost my power-up. My fast bullets. It was so good. I don't know if Thomas is seeing it, but it is, like, jumpy? I don't know how to describe it. And I don't know if I can not blame it on my paddle yet. But when I let go of the paddle, it's not jittery at all. It's like the reading.
I don't know. Is the paddle ever going to be not a little bit jittery?
No. I mean, you can pop in, like, Kaboom and test it out. Kaboom is super smooth. But it depends how quickly you read the paddle, because the paddle is very intensive. To use in a game, you have to read it, like, every scan line, or every second scan line, as much as you can for changes. Or something. I have never made a paddle game, so I'm not gonna lie.
But why would you need to do it every scan line when you can only move once per frame?
That's a good question. I've never looked into paddles too much. Maybe you can read out the chat, because I can't. If they're saying anything about paddles or paddle reading or jitteriness or...
Did they get the paddle issues solved?
Oh, they're talking about the 2600 plus and
Okay.
7800 plus.
Okay, yeah. K.R.A.Z says he might make a sound effect for getting power-ups.
Oh yeah, you definitely need that, because I can't tell sometimes. Like, well, I was close and it disappeared, but
Yeah, I agree.
I definitely
'cause,
got that one because I have a shield now.
The shield one is the one that I have consistently gotten. And you can see it.
Also, the level number in between levels would be good. Like when it's the screen freezes, it should maybe flip between the score and the level. That would be... Oh, did I die? The score started over. I must have died.
Yeah, maybe you died.
Oh. Well, my energy must have gone down to 0.
Oh,
There we go.
don't get cocky.
See, the paddle's moving fine now. It was in the high level. Oh, it's like if I move it too fast, it jumps back. Maybe it's me. I don't know.
I didn't spend that much time looking at the character. I mostly just looked at where the bullets were coming from.
Yeah, that's
And
kind
so
of
I never noticed
kind of what I'm doing too.
any issues in that regard. And they didn't seem to be jittery.
This is fine. Yeah, this is fine. Maybe it's me. So when I have the shield, I can't be hurt by falling pieces. I'm guessing that's what the shield is for.
Well, also, I'm okay with 30 frames per second games, so it might just be
Yeah.
me.
Darcy's eyes don't work that fast.
They work fine. Or, like, I'm not sure if it's that my eyes are worse or better. That I can play a first-person shooter at 30 frames per second, and it's absolutely fine. Like, I don't even notice.
Yeah, I mean, some games can be fine at 30. It's the super experts that...
I assume that it's just that I'm just better. That's what I assume. Until proven otherwise, I'll just assume that it's that I am in some way superior.
So good, it only needs 1 frame a second, really. You can anticipate.
Thrust says you lost targeting, and that stops firing when you move too fast.
Oh.
So the thing that I was saying about the double speed bullets is, I think, targeting. And it's not that your bullets are going faster, but that they don't stop. But they work better when you're moving.
Okay.
Because they always work while you're moving, but like,
I don't know. It
the
seems
rate
fine
slows
now,
down or
so...
something when you're moving. I don't know what it is.
Everything seems fine now.
Maybe I'm
Yeah, see, because I don't know what level I'm on. It's hard to know. Hard to know, because then it's like, well, did I make it to level 15? Should I start at 15? Should I start at 10? Yeah, so level number 100%. I would love to have that added in. Oh, lots of powers. Thank you. Thank you, program. Thank you, randomization.
I feel like you have the fat bullet. I feel like you started with it. Because your bullets seem... I don't recall the bullets ever being bigger than they are right now.
Yeah, maybe on a higher level you automatically get some power-ups to start with, because it assumes you would have them.
Thrust says, when you move too fast, the missiles trail behind the gun. With targeting, that's fine. Else, the firing stops.
Yeah, this is totally fine. Super smooth, as you can see. Yeah. I don't know. Maybe it was the paddle then. Just needed to be worked in a bit more. It felt like there was some bounce back, like I would stop and it would go like boop, boop, boop. But that would be me stopping the movement of the paddle, but actually overshooting the stopping.
What's the slowest you can go where you pan... You're still panning fast enough, but you can pan all the way across at this level. Because the slower you can go, the tighter your bullets are,
like this.
And the more coverage you get. And I was having great success with that.
Like this.
Yeah, and like,
Almost.
if you see what I mean, like you're getting very good coverage.
Yeah, and the drips are the thing that you need to keep at bay on this stuff. Because sometimes if you go too fast, they'll fall in between your bullets, right? So far, that's cleaning house. Oh, that one missed one. I was going too fast. But then they'll get to a speed where you can't do this. This will fall too fast.
Thrust says, try variation 1 to see the difference.
Okay, yeah. Okay. We don't need to play that. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay.
Okay, that's how mine started. That's how mine started, was with the...
That is a huge difference. Can you move them? Oh, pretty much per pixel almost.
So you started... With the other one, you started with the chonk bullets.
Yeah, so you do get...
And this one, you need a power-up to get the chonk bullets.
He probably figured that, well, on these higher levels, you kind of need the wider one to even survive.
Yeah.
That makes a lot of sense.
There's wider, and then there's, like, faster speed. So this is wider.
Boom. And then that's kind of the default, right?
Yeah, that's the default you were playing with.
It doesn't get
wider.
No. But it does get faster, because I can tell. This is
now
like...
move fast.
This is like... Yeah. Oh, yeah. Look at this. This is... Yeah. If you move slow, you get a steady stream, but if you move fast, it's like... bleh, 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 bleh. That's funny. Yeah. Oh, interesting. Oh. See, this is why Thomas is an expert programmer. He's able to add these little things in that you wouldn't necessarily notice. Like, see, if you go fast, it's like craps out. You're dedicating all your power to the movement and not to the bullets.
Yeah. There's the now you can move fast.
Not yet. Not yet.
Okay, maybe you can probably move faster than you could before.
Right. The top speed of movement, maybe it increases. Yeah, I can move faster now. But not... Oh, no. I'm at full speed now. Yeah. Okay, it's too fun. We'll play forever. We'll play forever.
Yeah.
The ceiling could completely move down towards a player in higher levels. Oh, yeah. It could. Like, lower, like the whole thing moves down. So even if you get rid of a full column, it'll be harder because it'll start lower.
For like that, you can compare that to the things moving quicker. And I feel like the things moving quicker is more fun. Because the ceiling being low just like takes your ability to play the game away. Whereas like having it high but moving it quick, you get the information and you have to move just as quickly as you would have to with the thing down.
Yeah, I would rather have it move faster down.
Yeah.
And it has tons more room to do that in the game. Like way, way, way more.
Yeah. But like at a high level, you could have it be like it's a penalty. Like you're having that. It's like instead of you losing, it just gets so hard that you probably will lose, but you still have a chance. and if you could get it to pop back up somehow, then it would be worth. Yeah, it wouldn't just be doomsday.
It can go down and then pop back up.
Cyber Run?
Yeah, I think we can just load it right up. Yes. So this is Cyber Run Low Tech by K.R.A.Z Productions and Kiki PDPH, 32K game. This build is from November 11th, 2025. And Kiki PDPH says, the game Cyber Run Low Tech is a game I developed for K.R.A.Z Productions. Anyone using the VCS will be able to purchase the game through the VCS store. And the ROM is also purchasable through K.R.A.Z Productions itch.io site as well. I've got the instructions here. Opcode. I can already see my OCD kicking in when I try this. I'll be in a complete trance, unable to stop. Just another 5 minutes. Yeah, that's why we had to actively stop ourselves from playing the game. It is so much fun. Okay, the story. I think you could just go ahead. Shoot things. The year is 1993, a full decade after Untold Victor's encounter with sentient AI known only as Dark Code. Oh, you guys can't see anything. Let's restart it. Nope.
But I was winning.
You were. Okay.
I would have won.
Oh, yeah.
I would have,
you were
for
that
sure.
close.
For sure I would have won.
You were that close.
I'm just going to check the box. Darcy won.
Okay, go for it. With a sentient AI known only as Dark Code in 1983, when lightning struck Victor's home, it caused a power surge, causing his computer program to birth Dark Code, who would then promptly bring Victor into the digital realm. Dark Code's mission to disrupt data and find a way into the real world, a feat only achievable by corrupting and modifying data. Uncle Victor has to once again enter cyberspace and stop Dark Code before he can find a way into reality. This is Cyber Run Low Tech. When Kiki PDPH sent this over to me, I said this level really reminds me of Beachhead. Beachhead 2? Beachhead 2? Where the soldiers are coming coming up and they go to the walls.
Oh,
and
yeah.
They run around the walls. Using the classic joystick. Oh, we're not using the classic joystick. On your Atari VCS Atari 2600, control the crosshair. As enemies appear, press the action button to fire an electric shock at the digital foe. Stay alert. At the end of each level, you encounter a special phase where the crosshair transforms into a hand. In this stage, you don't shoot, instead you collect fragments of binary code. 3 bits of it, in fact. Pressing the button closes the hand, allowing you to grab code pieces and earn extra points. You have 3 lives. Each life is lost after 5 enemy hits. At the start of level 4, you gain an extra life. Green batteries fully restore your energy. If your energy is already full, white batteries appear instead and grant bonus points. So those are mimics. Mimic is a virus that camouflages files in cyberspace. Luckily, there's currently nothing for him to replicate, so now you can see Mimic in his true form. His goal, to replicate you.
But then, if he replicates me, then
guy-
it's as though we lost because...
That's right. Now there's 2 of you fighting him.
That's right.
That's Blobby, the guy with the arms to the side. Blobby is a gelatinous bug who fries circuits and particularly loves your EPROMs. Take care of him as fast as you can. Oh, the wall's close. Oh, that guy at the top is Squid. Fast-moving virus who likes to attack from afar. Probably a little misunderstood and a lot more docile than most. Squid may occasionally drop energy. This screams trackball. It does, actually, with the crosshairs. I mean, you could use a joystick-style trackball. Oh, you got more energy. Then there is a worm, which we haven't seen yet. He's kind of a square dude. Worm is a bit of a nuisance. Worm pops up from program to program, wreaking havoc and causing problems. Then there's Dark Code himself. This is the big bad, the main reason you're here. Dark Code has powerful attacks. Oh, gotta get those bits. Not quite a nibble. One bit less than a nibble.
Oh my goodness!
Oh my God!
Oh, you know what? If you're gonna failing at getting bonus points is probably better than failing at killing bad guys.
That is true.
Because the real reward is getting to stay alive.
It is to play another day. Dark Code has powerful attacks and must be dealt with post haste. You must shoot it 5 times while it's visible to destroy. So the pickups that you've been getting. Green battery, full energy restore. White battery, 1,000 points. Binary fragments, 50 points. So only the green battery gives you a full energy. Or maybe the white battery gives you a little bit too. So we haven't made it to Dark Code yet. It doesn't say what level Dark Code shows up at.
I don't know how many bullets I have. I've been acting as though they're a resource, but it seems like maybe they're not.
When the stone passed on the screen and you did avoid it, then you're back in the game where the locked columns were. Oh, who's that guy? That was the square guy. That was the worm. You must be getting close to the boss then, because that's the last enemy listed before the boss. Full energy.
What does the energy do?
When you run out of energy, you lose a life.
Oh, so it's not 5 hits, it's 5 hits without rejuvenating your energy.
Yeah.
Okay.
You're very low. It's flashing red and green.
I'm gonna die.
Oh, just what you needed. Full energy. So you have 1 life left. I think you're pretty close to the boss. This is the level.
No wormy!
No wormies!
Give me them points! Give me them points! I want the points!
All the points!
Despite what I was saying earlier, I want the points!
Grab. It's so cyberspacey. You can see your floating hands. Remember early representations of cyberspace were always floating hands? they nailed that.
Oh.
Will this be the final level?
Feels different,
Does it?
but it's not.
Maybe when it... oh, full energy, yeah. The game ends when the stalactite reaches the ground and a stone would split the screen. Definitely better to go for the energy than...
Only if you
you need
can
energy.
use it.
True. Uh-oh. Oh, you must have gained an extra life. So now you still have 1 life, and you went down fully in energy.
Oh, he shot me after death.
Oh,
it's
this
boss
is different.
fight.
Get him! There he is. Oh, I see. Oh,
Where, am I supposed to hit him now?
yeah, you have to hit him 5 times when he fully shows up. I
okay.
think. Did you?
Oh, that was cool. I made it there. That's good.
Good stuff. Oh, we were talking about indestructible blocks in StalaX. Oh, not this game. Yeah. Very cool. Very straightforward shooter kind of thing. Yeah. Should I try and defeat the boss? Something special might happen. See if I can do that. So those barriers get closer as you get through the level. Yeah. And then it changes a bit, right? Grab the code! Run to the mainframe! Hack the planet! Nice scaling on the numbers.
Yep.
Level 2.
Oh, like each of these levels is random. Because this is not what my second level looked like. My second level was
Really?
that game you were talking about with the soldiers in the beachfront or whatever.
Oh. This does turn into that, though. Like, it'll move forward.
That's what I'm saying, though, is mine, it moved forward and became that on the second one, I thought. I might be wrong. Maybe I'm remembering it wrong. But
Maybe. I don't know.
I remember this happening later.
I was reading instructions.
And, this also happened later for me.
Maybe there is some randomness to it in terms of what happens when. Which is nice. Keeps showing.
I don't think any of the levels were objectively, harder.
They're just different.
Different. Yeah.
It's definitely a pattern. One, then the other. One, then the other. You always stay in the middle. You don't know what side they're going to be on.
You know what? I wasn't paying attention. You already did this hand grabbing.
I did, yeah.
Yeah. You may have had the beach assault thing
I
as
did.
your second. Okay, yeah. It's not random. Or it might not be random. I don't know. I have no information on whether or not it's random. Is what I'm getting at.
I have no further
I
information.
confused myself.
Darcy is easily confused.
Hey, I didn't say easily.
Just this one time.
Just that I was. I mean, maybe I am easily confused. But again, I don't know that we have enough information to say.
Darcy hurts himself in the confusion. Battery. I don't think I've been shot yet, so. Just points. Squids must die. Damn it. Come on. I like the lines that progress up the screen. Very Juno first. Who's coming to where? Is the guy at the bottom? Yeah. Oh, sometimes it throws the top one in. Oh no! He hit me! How dare you, sir?
How dare you?
Now I need a battery. For reals. So, the other day I the other week I got my eyes tested and got my prescription updated. And I was like, oh, let's get contact prescription. And so I thought it would be cool to try contacts.
Did you forget that you have to touch your eyeball to put?
I did completely forget that I have to touch my eyeball to put in contacts. So the other day, day before, I went to get trained on
touching your eyeball,
touching my eyeball repeatedly, and the optometrist just put them in for me. Mm-hmm. And then he set me in front of a mirror. Said, "Okay, now you have." Oh, I'm gonna get hit. You have to take them out. This is how you do it. I'm like, okay. Then he watched me take them out. Or try to take them out repeatedly for half an hour, unsuccessfully. And then at the end of about half an hour, I felt extremely nauseous from touching my eyeball over and over again and unsuccessfully taking out contacts. And that was the end of that. And I don't think that's going to work for me.
You did get an extra life, by the way. Oh, not for touching your eyeball, but for gameplay.
I should get one for touching my eyeball. Because I did a lot.
I don't think you should give up. Plenty of people touch their eyeballs all the time.
That's me, I guess.
Yeah.
Victory! Code save! Dark code defeated! Next! Hard mode!
Hard mode!
This is hard mode. I have no... Oh my god, this is impossible mode.
Oh. Hard mode is James' least favorite thing. Hard mode is keep the button pressed at all times mode.
Yeah, you don't have bullets, so this is just like, I wish I had a turbo joystick with a turbo mode so I can just do this automatic. No, I'm not playing this. My wrist is already sore from just doing that. No chance. Those aliens are awfully cute. It's like you're blasting Hello Kitty. Yep. Cute little game. There you go. Yeah, I'm not playing Invisible Cursor mode. That's Nightmare mode. Okay. We are going to be moving on to Strike Zone Bowling. So let's stop the gaming. Stop all the gaming. There we go.
That's it. Stop having fun.
Stop your fun. There is no fun.
We came here to play games, not to have fun.
This is serious business.
Warning. The treat ball is loose. The treat ball is
Stampede of cats. Oh, the treat ball's loose. Good timing. Let me move some things out of the way.
Right into the box. Come on.
Come on, Munchkins.
You can be excited too.
Who triggered that? Gamma Dev! It's betting time. The fun is back. Yes, sirree.
Oh, 2 cats.
Under
cats,
50
2
bucks. Treat ball. Treat ball time for cats. Okay, place your bets. This is a straight SVID or Atari situation. Oh, yes, sirree.
Hi.
Hard to the joystick and the thumb, yeah. Kitty. So who is going to win this one? Could it be the black and white kitty named Sid after the Sid chip on the Commodore 64? Or is it going to be Atari?
How many go in each one?
5. Make sure they're completely closed up while you load it. There you go.
Okay, I'm just going to hand them to you after to...
Yes, I put them down. Or I can put them down. And make sure it's 5. Exactly 5. No halves. No halvesies. No. So we've got 61% of the bets.
How about this? What happens if I do that?
Not much of anything. It just... Cats won't care. I won't care.
Nobody cares.
Doesn't affect the score. He's switching the lids. Just so everybody knows, he's switching the lids.
But we're going by cat, not by ball color.
Yeah, we're going by cats. The ball color is irrelevant. Okay, cats. You gotta pick one box each. No, they'll move. You can pick the adventure box or the bigger combat box. Now,
the betting is still happening, I see.
Yeah, we got 30 seconds or more. Now the combat box is bigger, which may be an advantage. The adventure box is a little bit smaller, which may be an advantage too, because you don't have to roll it around so much and you don't have to move so much. So, it's switched over to Atari now. 76% of the points are an Atari.
20,000 points. Almost just shy of 20,000 points on Atari, and Sid at just under 7. Just over 7,000.
Big bet. There's a lot of points going down on this one. And we are done. Okay. Now we open them up fully. Mm-hmm. And I'm going to get you to drop them. Not drop them, place them. So
it's
so
fully
they don't
open.
bounce wrong.
Okay.
Yep. Just place them down at the same time. Not yet. Not yet. I have to actually have to get them on the screen first. Redo the points. And now you're going to have to watch Atari. Mm-hmm. And when he gets it in his mouth,
when he nom-noms it, okay.
When he nom-noms.
Okay. Ready?
I'm ready.
Okay.
Cats are ready. Go.
Hey. There you go. Do you know that?
Oh, you have to watch that guy. He ate one.
He ate a second one.
Is it a second one? Okay.
Yeah. He's about to eat a third one.
Sid. What is happening? Come on. It's right here. You gotta roll it. Sid. Come on. What is happening?
Okay, I think Atari is done. Wait, no, he's not.
Okay.
Wait, he may be. Yeah, he's done. Oh, no, he's not done. He's not done. He's done now.
He's done now. What is happening?
You need to put on, because I don't think Sid has eaten any yet.
Sid, baby. What's wrong with you? Look, get it. What happened?
Are you okay? Are you broken?
Are you
still a cat?
Have you changed into something else? Oh, Sid.
What's happening? Are you still high?
What's happening?
Are you no longer food motivated?
Oh no. Sid's on a diet. I'm not your performing monkey. I sent money to Darcy. He fed Sid a full bowl just before the show. I was tired of losing. Rod Kessler, you know.
It's a betting scandal.
Sid's on strike. Sid, wake up, man. Oh, he's batting it around now. Okay. He was in a daze. Oh my goodness. Sid. Sid is standing there like...
We're genuinely...
This
James
is
and I are genuinely looking at Sid like, are you okay? Or like,
what's wrong?
Are you sick? Do you have the flu?
Yeah, that's unusual.
Do you have the cat flu?
Oh my goodness. That would have been an interesting game last time for the Bells. Because it would have been 5 easily. Atari would have made it to 10 points, 10-0. Maybe 10-1.
Yeah.
That would have been terrible. I don't know what's going on with Sid, but he's eating now.
What happens if nobody bets on 5+ and a cat gets the 5+? Does nobody win?
The bank wins. It just disappears. Nobody wins. Yeah.
So nobody wins.
Yeah. So that's why it's always good to put, like, somebody just put something on it just on the outside chance. If they don't have, like, a strong feeling either way. Yeah. Okay.
Oh, sorry. We need to take the balls away.
So Atari won by
Otherwise,
a landslide.
they're just living in false hope.
5-0.
Well, at least this one is.
So this is huge money. 26,000 points go to Spartan 581 and 4 others. Oh boy, you are rolling in it. Sid got caught in a forced Windows update. That's right.
Sid is scared of.
He was just stunned. He was just stunned. It's crazy. But he's all better now. Did you eat it all? Yeah, you ate it all, didn't you? Okay, we're going to move on to the last game, which is bowling. Strike Zone Bowling. Very excited. Because I've not played the final version yet of Strike Zone Bowling on the show. I played earlier versions, but that was a long time ago.
Neither have I.
Oh, have you played this at all?
Nope.
Nope. Oh, perfect. Perfect group of people to play this then. Let's open it up. Now, we talked with the developers just the other day, pretty much, on Atari Age Day. Edward Smith and Kevin Mosley, and we chatted with them about this game. So let's pop it in. Chunk.
Atari Plus. Ready.
Oh, that's not a good screen. Let's get a better screen than that. I can see the strike in the zone. That's bad.
Atari
Now, I think this is actually going to plug in the second joystick. So I don't think this uses the Atari box or the save key for your highest score. There we go. Strike Zone Bowling. Now, let's make sure we know what we're doing when we're bowling. If you can press the button to go to the first screen.
Oh, we're arriving at the bowling alley.
Yep.
Oh, we're not going to park in one of the many
No. We're being dropped
clearly
off.
parked spots.
Being dropped off at the bowling alley. And we get out. So it's fine. It's fine. This has amazing graphics. The shoes are very cheap. Only $2 or $4. So we're going to play 2 players.
Okay.
Now, don't do anything yet. Don't press the button. So this is how you position yourself. And there's a bar at the bottom that you have to pay attention to. And if you press the button, unless you want a low score. So move the bowler's position using left and right on the joystick.
Mm-hmm.
Start your approach by pressing up on the joystick. Don't do it. Pay attention. Notice that the shot meter at the bottom of the screen is changing. It'll go to the right, and then it'll go back down. After the shot meter reaches its maximum width, it will begin decreasing, going back to the middle. Pressing the fire button at any point while the shot meter is decreasing will release the ball. When is the best time to release the ball? It depends on how you want the ball to spin. All bowls are the same strength in terms of the speed of the ball.
Okay.
So if you want it to go exactly center down there. There's nothing under there, little silly cat. There you go. Hide under there. You press it in the center. It'll go straight down. If you want it to go off to the right, press it before, on the right-hand side, before it gets to the center. If you want it to veer off to the left, press it after it goes past the center. And you can kind of position yourself and also curve the ball if you want. And I believe it's where the ball... See, that's a perfect center.
Yeah!
Darcy's a natural. And now it is my turn. There we go. It's like the 80s. You drop off your teen kids around noon and tell them to be home before 10 p.m. Exactly. So I'm going to try that approach.
Nice!
Wooga! And it's even got the little things that you would see on the screens up above. The graphics in this are just astounding. Oh,
No.
oh. And you can get spares and strikes. Oh. Did you, oh, no. gonna try for the same. Oh no! Go left. Oh my god!
You got it.
Yeah! Great shading on the guy too. Just absolutely amazing graphics. Kevin Mosley is a master at graphics on the 2600.
That's not good. That's not good, Darth. What are
You
you
pick
doing?
up a spare? Oh no!
Gutter roll.
Oh no!
Uh-oh. I didn't want to let you guys down. You're expecting me to not play well, and
And that's what you get.
that's what you're getting. You're getting
In the zone.
He's cheating.
3 strikes.
Everybody knows James is cheating.
That's right.
Oh no, I curved it the wrong way.
Wrong way curve. Nice. Oh, nice. Oh, I'm in the zone. That means red. Oh. Has it been all strikes?
I think you got all strikes so far.
Oh, I want to get that 300 so bad. I gotta get the 300. S. Ramirez posted in the forums his 300. I was like, of course.
Oh no,
Oh,
I
wrong way.
curved it the wrong way. That's all right. I'm going for random score.
It is the 2600 random score. Some strikes, some complete misses. Oh no. No. Go.
Oh no! And James has said "oh no" several times, and also gotten a strike every time.
Oh no, another strike.
Oh no!
Oh no.
Darcy has not gotten a grip on this, so
This is the definitive. What? Oh my god, a split. Oh, you don't have to do it. It's okay. Go. Da-da-da-da.
how?
Yes, this is a physical card. It just came out from Atari. Nice. From Atari Age. This is better than real bowling. Yeah, you don't have to put on shoes that 1,000 people have worn before. Oh, no.
See? See? Well, okay, here I'm gonna try it.
The oh no.
Oh no! No, it didn't work.
No. I don't know. It's just working for me somehow. Seems like certainly somebody's played the game a few times. I have not. I rarely play games outside the show unless I'm doing beta testing.
Part of it is that I keep thinking that it will curve in from the side
God
that the bar
damn
is
it.
on, and not curve toward the side that the bar is on. Like I've got it flipped somehow, and so
If it's on that side, it goes that way. If it's on that side, it goes that
in
way.
In addition to like the other things I'm doing wrong, I'm also like intentionally doing it wrong.
Intentionally, you should.
I'm not trying to do it wrong, but the thing I'm intentionally doing is wrong.
Oh, I see.
It's not just
Yeah. You can get it at AtariAge.com, their store. It's called Strike Zone Bowling. And no sore muscles afterwards, yes. Oh, good. Oh,
No, that's not good.
not the right way. Frame 10. I get two more shots. I guess after your frame 10. I thought you get them right after, but I guess not. Maybe not in this game. Pseudographics, literally, I have not played this version.
See, I did it again. I was like, gotta get it before it gets there halfway.
No, after it gets halfway, if you're on that side. Yeah. There you go. Spare.
That's twice that I've gotten a spare from...
Oh, you get an extra bowl.
Oh.
'Cause
Why?
You got a spare.
Okay.
Oh, maybe I wasn't on my 10th frame. Maybe it was on my 9th frame. Sir, don't please. Don't. None of that. Whoa, nice. This is my 10th frame, I'm guessing. And then two more. sir. Cat is eating the PS2 cable. Nope, none of that. Yes! S. Ramirez, no longer impressed with your 300. I did it on my first try. First try. Oh, kittens. I got 300. 300. Trophy.
What's going on, Action Cat? You're not very Action Cat today.
No, he's a little slow today. A little slow. Thank you, S. Ramirez.
Do you have cat COVID?
Now, there's something that you get to do when you get a 300 game.
Oh.
Oh, what? I thought there was something you could do.
You get to drop someone off.
What happened? Was there the debounce was bad? You get to play a video game when you get 300.
Oh.
Oh, well. I saw the video game. It must have registered 2 button presses, and there was no debounce. No debounce. Okay. Well, there you go. There is Strike Zone Bowling. I can only go downhill from here, so we're not going to play again. You need to come up with your own line of cat treats in flavors cats love. For instance, Amazon box, PS2 cable, Bernie flavor.
Bernie shape.
I dropped it. It's gone forever.
Probably.
At least at that angle. Oh my goodness. The animations are beautiful. Yeah, this game is incredible. I think I don't know if it already won for best work in progress for graphics or something, but I'm sure it's going to be a contender for this year's Atari Homebrew Awards, which are coming up. I will be sending out messages to previous nomination committee members very soon, asking for your help for this year's Atari Homebrew Awards, season 8, 8th annual Atari Homebrew Awards, which is incredible. So that'll be a lot of fun. Yep. And a lot of 2,600 games this year. Oh my goodness, are there ever a lot? Because some people went absolutely nuts making video games this year. A bunch of video games. Best new game featuring ZPH cats. Well, there are a number of cat games this year, actually. It was, it's pretty interesting. But take a look at how many 2,600 games there are this year. Let's just make it really small. Look at the ball.
Wow.
Each dot is a 2,600 game. These are the works in progress down here. These are the completed games. And these are the physical releases this year for 2,600.
Wow.
Oh my God. Probably the largest year for 2,600 games ever. Like, just insane amounts. So, yeah, I need your help. Playing through them. And tell me which ones you like and which ones you don't like. Do we have AI to thank for? No, actually. I don't think... No, there's definitely never been an fully AI-made game, or even partially made 2,600 AI game. And I think it was been discussed relatively recently. I mean, it's been discussed a lot, but I remember reading a post recently about it, that AI is trained on 6502 code a lot, and not the 6507 code. That the 2,600 is slightly different. Plus, the 2,600 makes screens different than most other systems. It does it line by line. And most other systems, especially 6502 systems, do it by frame buffers. It draws out the whole frame and then it goes bleh,
Blah.
bleh. So the only chance I see of a 2600 game being made in AI is if somebody took a ton of code specifically for 2600 games and no other systems, and then fed only that into an AI system to train it. Otherwise, it's going to spit out code that is just going to be nonsense. I've been doing something. BR Pocog says, you have, naughty, naughty. There's been a couple of developers who've cranked out a bunch of quick games. Yeah, you'll see there's some people. There's one developer early on his itch.io page. He's taken it down since. I'm not going to say any names. Where he proudly proclaims that he's going to make more games. He's going to make the most games of any developer that's ever made games. And I, first of all, thought that's quite a lofty goal because he's only compared it to like Atari and Activision. I don't think he's really has compared it to some of the homebrew developers who have made tons and tons of games like Atari 2600 Land. But just that goal of just making the most games, I think I personally value quality over quantity. I think I'd rather have one amazing game than 200 like unplayable games. But if you can do 200 amazing games, good on you. That's amazing. Oh, yes, Master KSI's question. Darcy.
Yeah, I haven't had a chance to work on it. I just haven't. I'm always trying to do so many things, but but for sure, like, it's still.
Is this something you still want to do?
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
I've been working.
I just
on my
had
game.
a new idea for something when we were playing today.
Oh, does it involve tons of bullets?
No.
Ah.
Sorry.
So this is my game that I've been working on. Actually, have been working on recently quite a bit. Jump Over. And I will only release it when I have a work in progress that people can actually play and get scores and stuff. Right now, it's not. There's no scores. It's not even collision. That's the exact next thing I'm working on. So you can see I worked on it last on the 18th. I've been busy because tomorrow we're having a retro game night here.
Yep.
But I've been, so you can see I've been working on it. Two-line kernels. I've successfully completely converted it over to a two-line kernel. And Darcy pointed out something when I was suggesting that a while back. It's like, oh, do this and this. And then I switched over to two-line kernel, a bad two-line kernel. And I was like, oh, this looks actually even better than before. And now I've done a proper one with V delays on my kernel. So I can position my players at any line. So that's what you need to do.
Yeah.
Unless you're going to make them jump 2 lines at a time.
Right.
So that was successful. It took me a long time to wrap my head around V delays and 2-line kernels. But I read like tons of different source codes of people and read things about V delays, and I'm like, oh, that's how it works. Now my 2-line kernel's really nice. It's got tons of room left in it. Like if you watch the drawing go across the screen, and it stops like halfway, and then does a W sync. It's like finished quite early, so I still have some room for more logic and more code in my line because I do have more to put in. And then a couple days ago, I implemented some color cycling for obstacles, and it looks great. It looks really good. So the next thing is collision between various objects on the screen. Darcy's seen the game. He's one of the few that has seen the game. And so he kind of knows what I'm talking about. I'm going to show you what I've done after. And
Cool.
it's looking really good. So
I have a question.
Yeah.
So when you say that it stops early and goes back, it doesn't actually stop early. It's just that display purposes from what you're looking at. Okay.
That's my just looking at it in Stella, because you can watch it draw when you're in like developer mode, debug mode. You can see it go doot drawing things with a little white dot, and then you do a W sync, and then it just halts, and then waits for the appropriate time to start drawing again, or before it starts drawing. And I'm doing it in assembly, which I like assembly. I'm comfortable with assembly, and I like being able to do exactly what I want. I mean, Atari Basic is there for programming, and that's really great because it has built-in kernels, and you don't have to mess around building your own kernel like I have from scratch. It's complicated. Yeah, the crab game, Hammers remembers. More crabs. It was a good idea. So you definitely want to continue with that one.
Yeah. It's just I just haven't worked on it. Yeah.
So things I need to add in still, my second player character, but I've been making the code as if I'm going to add in a second character. So all the variables there, all the 2-line kernel is kind of prepared to do a second character. I have no collisions yet at all. Animation, I don't have the animation there. It's just like a square for your character right now. It's not, so it's just doing F all the way down. And the items it's just like a stick figure right now. And the second player character is not in there. I'm going to have an individual game, like a one-player game.
Right.
A co-op game where your scores are added together. And then a competitive game where you have 2 different scores, where you're going for high score. I have to do all the sound. There's obviously no sound yet. Sound for collision, sound for getting items, sound for... See, that's giving away too much. Sound for jumping. There's jumping in the game. Then I need to make...
I don't know if that's giving away too much. It is. You did a jump.
That's true. I need to change that. It's giving away too much.
What, an Atari game with jumping?
Oh my goodness.
I don't even know. That's so...
And
original.
you can follow along with my changelogs too. If you care about very generally described updates. This is my new updates. I had a little bit of time today. It had colored for color cycling. So you can see I have tons of room left. More than half of my ROM of the 4K ROM is left. And I have 43 bytes left too. Which is good because I may have to put the code for the characters in RAM if I don't have enough room, like time on the line, because I would have to retrieve the character data for drawing the character inside the kernel, rather than if I have it in RAM, I just need a ZeroPage call, and that's much faster than a 2-byte call to somewhere else in memory. So that saves time. You learn from Nathan Strum when it comes to describing secret things. Yeah, Nathan Strum's description is so... Well, his names, I've never figured out any one of his names because he puts a secret name for upcoming games. It's like, I have no idea what he's talking about. But they're not just random, because after he reveals what game they are, it's like, oh, okay. But he's usually describing like some obscure thing in the game. Yeah. Jump over is pretty straightforward, but there's like so many games where you have to jump in the game. Anyway, if you want to follow along, this is my development log. You can watch that or look at it. You don't have to. It's not very exciting. So what's coming up on the show on ZeroPage Homebrew? We nothing planned for the next couple shows, but we do have an interview talking about the K.R.A.Z and Pixie and Elf and Chameleon. Interview with Zachary Scalero, Zack Attack, talking all about Pixie, Elf, and Chameleon. It's very exciting technology. That's the tech I'm going to jump to after my third game. My third game is going to be an original game. These two are ports of other people's games. So I've got a binder full of original games. And also text. I've typed out, like, I would say 30 original games. So I'm going to pick the one that my skill level is good for. Because the first game was Packline. Mm-hmm. It was one-dimensional. This one, you can move 2 dimensions. The third one will not be 3-dimensional. Well, it might be. It might be. I do have one planned, but it's a port.
I
It's
plan to use
3-dimensional.
4 dimensions.
Time. You are. Aren't you?
Admittedly, all of the games use the 4th dimension, but whatever.
That's true. So that's coming up on December 12th. Interview. That might even be a Darcy Day. Let's see. It is. Yours is the 5th. Nope, not a Darcy Day. It's an Ireland Day. Yeah. So you'll
Don't
miss
be
that one.
disappointed. It's probably better when Ireland's here, anyways.
I don't know. Should we take a vote?
No.
No votes. I'll be voted right to the bottom. We like all the co-hosts better. They're fun. So that's coming up on December 12th. There'll be a holiday break over the end of December. And and then it's into kind of award season in January, February. I can almost put the awards. They will be on February 21st, I think, if that's a Saturday. February 21st, yes. So that's the 8th Annual Atari Homebrew Awards. If you are marking it on your calendar, especially devs will want to mark it on their calendar. Do not go on vacation that day if you want to accept in real life. So that's it. We did really well in Strike Zone Bowling, so we don't have to play it twice.
Well, we didn't.
We collectively did very well in Strike Zone Bowling.
You got
a bunch of strikes.
You get dragged way down if
My
you have to
average-
include mine.
My average is low. See, 300 plus.
I started off strong the first one.
Very strong. Strike. Should have just done the exact same thing every time.
Yeah, I tried.
Thanks for playing my game. I was lacking feedback until now. Well, this is kind of one of the first
It's
builds
awesome.
that was like an actual scoring game, and I tend to wait till then to put it on the show because it's difficult to play a non-game. It's really cool.
It's really good. Yeah.
Oh my god! Anything even added to it is just going to make it cooler. Like right now, it's awesome. It's really cool. Maybe the levels could accelerate just a bit faster because Darcy made it for really, really far. But level 15 is hard.
Yeah. It was that, like, I made it really far without without getting a single drop touching the ground.
Yeah.
But
like
that's
really
because, that's partly because I didn't lose any buffs.
Yeah, you got your buffs pretty early.
Yeah.
But
also, I don't think I got to the...
Started
I started in
baby
baby mode. Yeah.
True.
And I don't think I got...
that is true.
I don't think I got to the speed that you were at. But
No.
even if I got up to the beginning of that, I had all the buffs.
And I didn't.
And you didn't. And it makes a massive difference.
Oh my god.
Like the two shooting ones are the big ones, yeah. Because that's
shield doesn't matter much. Energy, you're full
this
of
game.
energy.
So far, it's like it definitely a good offense is the best defense in this game.
Yeah.
It's all offense,
And
and
it's-
there's like the defense is like, well, in case you screw up.
And it's definitely cartridge worthy. 100%.
Oh, yeah,
It's so good visually, and it just feels satisfying. Just
Yeah. Yep.
shooting. Yeah, it's so good. And again, amazed that it fits in 4K
Yep.
plus 128K to store all the stuff on the screen because there's like just massive amounts of stuff that needs to be stored, and it's all bespoke stuff. Like any line could be any length. I guess you could compact it down. Well, the way he stores it, it's not individual. Less than 3K actually now. True. That's true. Even adding the extra 128K of RAM. Even tack that on. Yeah.
Do you mean 128K?
Bytes.
Bytes. I was like 128K. That seems like a lot. That's what I was thinking. I was like,
amount.
I don't know what I'm talking about. It's probably not.
No, 128K is one of like the largest games ever released. Like Penult is 128K.
Yeah.
Because it's got like huge maps and cities and stuff. Yeah,
That's so cool.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
What did you find, PSP Terminator? Music? Party times? Bears listening to music? Well, you found us. Thanks for watching. We're we're done. So thanks for everybody for watching PSP Terminator. Thomas, thank you for making that game. Looking forward to playing more in the future. Gamma Dev, BR Pocock, Master KSI, Pseudo Graphics, Splendid Nut, Blackwa, S. Ramirez, Rod Castler, Ivory Tower Collections, Spartan 581. Who else? Who else? Thank you for following PSP Terminator 55. Opcode Games. Who else? Who else? Anybody? Bueller? D-Train. And that's the end of my chat. And Pro7. Oh, snuck it in. And Alan the Fur. And so we'll be back on Tuesday at the latest. Maybe we'll play some more Bernie and finish the last level of Bernie, because we played some After Dark the other day. But probably, well, maybe Monday, but probably not, because we have a thing tomorrow, Retro Game Night, which we have to set up for right after this, and all Saturday morning. Stop your drumming. Little drummer boy. But at least we'll be back on Tuesday with some more amazing, super fun games. And have a great weekend. And have a great evening. And we'll see you soon. Bye-bye, everyone.